สิ่งนี้หรอก
All Khasi Hills Achek Federation AKHAF has submitted a petition to the Expert Committee on Reservation. Saramina D. Marak, president of the Women's Wings, said the organization has urged the Expert Committee to maintain the status quo without disturbing the job reservation for Garo. She further said that the federation has suggested the Expert Committee to reduce or to take from the remaining 20% and add it to Khasi and Janta category without disturbing the 40% job reservation for Garos.
Already our previous, our forefathers are those who first government form, they have constitute the amendment, so it should be remain as it is.